Well, holy crap. Wait a minute. Ethereum hitting all-time high right now? Hold the phone here. Are we doing it? Oh shit. Ethereum tapping on that all-time high? No shit. It hit it. Major resistance, but we just hit the all-time high on Ethereum. We breached it ever so slightly. Holy smokes. We gotta pull out a magnifying glass to figure it out. Wait, did we? Or did we just double tap? We barely touched it. Wow. All-time high achieved. That's amazing. Gotta zoom all the way in for that. Holy. Zoom all the way in for that bad boy. But we hit it. Major bearish divergence on the 15-minute, but I don't think we really care at the moment because going out to the daily, we're fine. We are absolutely fine. Crazy bullish day on Ethereum. Wild. Crazy even. Still aiming for 5,241 though. So there's that. Anyways, so Ethereum looking good. Tapping all-time highs. We're going to see what kind of follow-through we get if they continue it to the end of the day or not. This is my makeup to all of the members out there. I know that it's the middle of the day. Sorry, this is kind of the time that I could do it because we're going to be doing an exclusive live stream on Pumpkin later tonight. So, yeah, link is in the description if you're not already part of the Pumpkin crew. But yeah, that's crazy. Ethereum doing well. Let's check out Bitcoin, though. So I made a static video yesterday on Bitcoin. I also went live yesterday and mentioned this is going to be the box to beat. Currently that 3% played out. I was mentioning last night, I was like, it looks like we're going to go up at least this 3%. I thought it was going to happen overnight. Little did I know it was going to wait until the morning. Oh, that's a shame. So you even had a slight wick to the downside to make sure nobody who had a stop loss sitting at this low right here could have managed to stay in. However, if you had a stop loss right down here at the 0.5%, then you could have actually stayed in this trade and been enjoying the upside. So looking pretty good here for Bitcoin. Currently now, we are going to be looking at our golden retrace, 119,745, and then we're going to see what happens there. So on Bitcoin, if we go out to the weekly, this is what I did say in the static video I made yesterday. So if you want, you guys can go check that out. Bitcoin did do one bad thing, but now it looks like it's correcting the bad thing it was trying to do. So here is the uptrend we have been holding and regarding as a support. We were trying to break out of it this week on the weekly time frame. We now have a possibility of breaking back above it and continuing this crazy breakneck pace to the upside, which absolutely insane to think about. But this is now a strong possibility. As for the weekly, all we really want to focus on is trying to get above this 6-week resistance right here. If we can finish the week above 119,522, this is going to be an extremely big deal for the Bitcoin price action going ahead. So we could see much further upside and much higher prices. Let's go into our daily here, see what that target might be. So checking out our daily, it does look like we confirmed a low right now. So that is fantastic. With the confirmation, we could be seeing Bitcoin rallying as high as $132,577. That's quite impressive. Quite impressive. So for the daily time frame, everything looks like we could be doing another 13.45% move to the upside. I look forward to seeing if it can pull it off. I look forward to it. As of right now, biggest hurdle is getting above this level. Acted as a major daily support. We broke through it. Will this be a bearish backtest or not? If we can get a daily candle close above it, really nice. Really, really nice. Even if it happens over the weekend. Really, really nice. So I'm interested to see what Wall Street does. Let's go ahead and check out our liquidation heat map. See how the shorts have been devastated. Wow, looks like all the shorts got out of there. Hold on. A symbol. Yeah, looks like a lot of the shorts got out of there before the market started pumping. We do have some liquidity that got taken out. That's fine, but the real wreckage is going to be here on the weekly. My oh my, so much liquidity has been taken, and there's still more possibly to come. $312 million sitting right up here at 118,911. Cool. Very cool. Love to see that. Love to see that. So there's more upside potential. Peek on in at Ethereum hitting all-time highs right now. Will we get the break? Will we get the break? If we hear the beep go off, we will know all-time highs achieved. We will know. We're gonna leave that alert up there. Just want to see what it does. Checking out XRP, son of a... Well, looks like it's retaking the level. So right now, big area in which it needs to get above. We will see if it can do it. If it can, all of Twitter is just going to be focused on the high or low. That's all Twitter's going to talk about. It's this right here. Got a high or low and a bull flag. I can hear it now. Twitter go crazy. So Twitter TA, what we're looking at is this as a possibility. So here's your Twitter TA, right there. Could lead you all the way up to 487. What I'm more looking at is this right here playing out. We're on the move for this to play out. So I'm thinking 451. 451 might be the price XRP is trying to get to. So there you have it. Moving on, we got Solana. Solana's looking great. Nice breakout of the downtrend. Very strong breakout, as everything else is very strong today. We're still looking for the 618 golden retrace, which is sitting up at $220. 220 could be coming next. Anywhere between 220 and 230. Looking really good. Really, really good. Moving on from there. Dogecoin. Doge's up 11%. Yikes. Absolute beast out here. Let's get rid of all the little day trading stuff I was doing before. Thought we were going to get a back test. We nowhere close. We broke straight to the upside. Does not mean I did not make a trade on this thing last night, but that's besides the point. That is besides the point. Nice break. Are we going to break out of this downtrend or not? I mean, now's the time. If we are going to break to the upside, now's the time. 35 cents would be the target. Lines up almost perfectly with that 618 golden retrace. Dogecoin could be well on its way. On your daily, it definitely looks like you're getting ready to do that. Definitely looks like you're getting ready to do that. So I would be looking for Dogecoin. 46% possible upside. This could take a while, but we'll see. Are we rich yet? I don't know, man. Are you? Are you rich yet? I don't know. I feel like we're a long way before this bull run is over. Long way away. We're just taking it one day at a time, though. How you doing, Max? How you doing? All right. So that's Dogecoin. Now, H-bar, I'm currently in a trade-in. So, H-bar, I'm just looking for the 618 golden retrace. But, very likely, we go up and see 35 cents. If we get a continuation to the upside, H-bar could be a real contender for crazy gains to the upside. We had a nice double bottom. We are flagging out. So this thing could actually lead us somewhere in the range of 57 cents because of this. So 57 cents could be our target for H-bar. Now that we have institutions trying to file spot ETFs on it, including BlackRock, I think H-bar is going to be the one to watch for the coming weeks to months. This one could get a little crazy, but I'm currently green on the trade. I got into it late because I was busy this morning during the Jackson Hole meeting, but is what it is. Could see another 38% upside on this next leg up. However, if we do get crazy out here, 124% upside is a possibility for H-bar. This thing looks really good on the daily. Full reset. You had a nice low, slightly higher low, and now it's starting to take off. So I do like what I'm seeing at H-bar. Ondo next. You're still waiting for altcoin season? Brother, the vast majority of the world is still waiting for altcoin season. Vast majority of the world. That's because everybody decided Bitcoin was too big to be able to move. I love hearing that before every bull run. Every bull run, we hear the same thing. Oh, Bitcoin's too big. All the money's to be made is in altcoins. When everyone's saying the same thing, it's probably a really bad idea to be in only altcoins. But I do think we're going to get some form of an alt season, not like we did before. I think the real alt season comes next week. Yo, what's up, JB? How you doing? Welcome in. Welcome in. So right now for Ondo, we are breaking out of the blue box. This is a really good sign. Really, really good sign. We do have a couple targets. First target, 123. Second target, 137. Third target, 156. I'd honestly be focusing on 156 right now for Ondo. You are getting a nice breakout for a semi-swing trade. You could be looking at the possibility of 55% upside from here. This looks great. Even though it's already up 9% on the day, I think we're just going to continue to the upside, honestly, all the way until the FOMC meeting, when all the markets can get scared again for reasons unknown. We might get some weird volatility next Friday, but outside of that, I mean, we're going to need some type of black swan event to slow this market down for now as they reprice in large rate cuts. Yeah, the jobs data, it overtook anything else. So yeah, 156 is what I'm looking for out of Ondo. Ondo's looking pretty gosh darn good right now. Pretty gosh darn good. AVAX, beautiful. Still looking for $31, possibly going up to $40. Still looking for it. Beautiful bounces, maintaining the uptrend. Looks absolutely gorgeous on the daily. Looks gorgeous on the daily. If you're not holding any AVAX, well, I don't know what you're doing. I don't understand. Either way, next target, 3164. Looking really good. I like this one. You know, I knew going live earlier, I could clear my conscience of not having two different members only live streams. But yeah, no, I'm happy. We're clearing my conscience, not getting crazy requests. This is nice. That means I can actually get on the prowl for what could pop off next. Alright, so hopefully you guys are in for the ride on this one. This is all I wanted to show you today. I mean, this possible 66% upside. As long as you didn't get scared out of this market, you're good. Oh, I should probably show the trade, right? We're up 58% on a 20x long on H-bar. I'm still looking for more upside today, so I'm leaving the trade open. I should be able to pay myself about $500 on this one, so it'll be a solid trade for the day. Oh, also, I'm going to start copy trading again over on Buy DeFi, so there's that as well. Took a few days off of that while the market was figuring itself out. Had to take a couple days. Moving on, let's check out Toncoin. Oh, shit. Hello, you beautiful bastard. What the? Okay. Ton looks amazing. If you're not in a trade yet, Ton might be the one for you. Holy shit. We're breaking back above a level of resistance, sitting at $3.34. We're above the 200 now on a confirmed candle close on the 4-hour. I like this. I like this a lot. I really like this. 21% upside? Well, I guess we're going to do a copy trade right this moment, because Ton looks too good to pass up. Ton token. We don't need to. Yeah, we're doing 10x apparently because that's my only option. Cool. A ton looks great. All right. Stop loss. There we go. What's that low? $4.14. 4.14. There we go. Alright, the copy trade's in. No, this thing looks so beautiful. Holy shit. Was not expecting it to look this good when I was going into it. That looks great. 1 hour looks a little sketchy, but I don't think we're getting below this level. I really don't. So I think we're good for the upside. Whatever opportunity the Bears had, opportunity's gone. I like what I'm seeing here. I think over the weekend I'm going to restart that $10 challenge because I basically wrecked that account first day. So I was like, okay, we're resetting, restarting. It's always a bad time when you do that. Always a bad time. This is the H-bar trade I'm in. Just looking for it to hit the 618 at 27,657. Looking for another breakout. 1 hour doesn't look great, but the 15-minute, it's just too darn good with this low stochastic, upsloping consolidation. Absolutely insane how bullish this market is right now. I think we're going to have some weird overbought movements in the coming days, and I'm here for it. I'm absolutely here for it. Check out ZBZN. What is it doing? Check it out on the 4 hour. 4 hour looks good. Oh, shit. Fighting with the 200 simple moving average. Next target you're looking for is this 5.2 level. Another 11% possible. If it keeps on going. If it keeps on going. A lot of upside here. I would just like it to stay above 45474. Speckled Sheep, what's up? How you doing? I know it's subscriber only right now, but don't you worry. Tomorrow's going to be open to everyone. Everyone. The whole public. Ethereum, all-time highs. Ethereum, all-time highs achieved. It has done it. It has done it. All-time highs, baby. Congratulations to Ethereum. You've finally done it. It's the first time in forever. All-time highs. All-time highs. Now we're just going to see if it can hit this 5,000 level. If it hits 5,000, everybody thinks it's going to 10K. I think they're going to be right. I think they're going to be right. Get some price discovery action. Crazy. How beautiful is that? It had a perfect touch. No one could have seen that coming out of an ADA. No one could have seen that coming. Now we're looking for a continuation to the upside. ADA looking crazy good. Hitting your 618 right now. I would love to see it back test somewhere around this level at 8913. I would love to see the back test. Because then we could look for a $1.14. Oh boy. Oh boy. $69.42 will be the top because crypto got jokes. That's pretty funny. pretty funny. Well, I guess at this point we can just watch my H-bar trade, see how it goes, because we're almost to profit taking. We're almost there. We're almost there. You can see how late I was to the trade. All the way up here after I did all that. I was so late. Then on the 1 hour, it's like, bro, you missed that whole hour pump? I certainly did. I was busy. I have a life and other priorities. Maybe one day I can day trade full time and only day trade. I doubt I'll be able to do it while my kids are still this young. It's not alt yet. You need to check Binance. Back from vacation, what did you miss? Fred, you missed nothing. You missed nothing at all. The Fed is doing the right and proper thing. Markets are happy. That's all that happened. Are you saying Binance is going to announce when it's alt season? I don't trust Binance saying that. Are you streaming regularly around this time now, or is this just for Jackson Hole? What I wanted to do regularly around this time is like live stream trading. So if I can somehow get consistent with that, I'm going to do that. But no, this was basically a chance for me to have my members only live stream that I missed on Tuesday and make it up to you guys. So here I am. Here I am. Tonight we're only going to be live on Pumpkin. Only live on Pumpkin tonight. But I will be taking everyone's requests over there. So link is in the description down below. Go make your profile and see you there. Or forever hold your peace. See you tomorrow. I'm actually really tired right now. I would like to take a nap, honestly. Like to take a nap before I go pick up my nephew. LTC. Let's go check her out. No, it's not all-time high for ETH yet. You need to check Binance Market. I only check Binance's market. This is the Binance chart. This is Binance. It says it right here at the top left corner. I don't know if you can see it, but it's the Binance chart. So, all-time high. That's this yellow line. This yellow line is Ethereum's all-time high. And you can see the dotted green line is above it. On Binance! I don't look at Coinbase charts. Alright. So, like, you see how the top choice is Binance right here? We're always looking at Binance's charts. Always looking at Binance's charts. Holy shit, Litecoin. Litecoin did a very good thing. Bullish backtest on 114. This is a really big deal. Litecoin is set up extremely nicely to go up to 232. Holy shit. Holy shit. You thought it was 4964? No. It was not. Slightly lower. Oh my. Yeah, so Litecoin, it's at a major inflection point. So the fact that it's at this level, you can see from the past, not very much happens in between. It's usually just straight up, straight down. Yeah, Litecoin looks ready to rock and roll. Straight down, straight up, straight down. Straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down. I'm looking for 232. Quite impressive, quite impressive. We're here, ready to go. This thing actually is ready to go on the daily. We might see a crazy pump out of Litecoin coming very soon. Very, very soon. This could be the beginning of that pump. 93% upside. Sheesh. Go Litecoin, go. Daily is showing all indications that it wants to rally extremely strongly. So, yeah, it might be a really good trade. Might be. I mean, you could say it looks good, or you could say it looks like you're, like, something that looks better than good. Yeah, we'll say that. We're gonna keep this thing PG for the ads. Nobody rewatches these streams, but you know what? I can hope. I can hope. I can hope. Oh goodness. You know, I have this thought. Nap time is not for the kids. It's for the adults. It's a chance for us to just slow down and take a nap. You know. Both my kids are taking a nap right now, and I'm conditioned to take a nap right now as well. It's so bad. My daughter starts daycare on Monday. I'm all broken up about it, yet excited. It's weird. Like, yes, gonna have some free time. Oh, my baby girl's getting older. Damn it. You know? It's wild. Oh, SPX wants to be like that. Oh. SPX trying to retake your daily level of support. Coming into the bearish control zone. Hidden bullish divergent. Oh my god. Why is SPX so powerful? Up 17% on the day, and looks like it's just getting started. Sheesh. Once you get that higher low, be prepared. Could see this thing at 298. Damn. Damn. SPX 6900. There's a possible 95% move to the upside in the future. Sheesh. FET. Why are you so boring, bro? Higher low, higher low, higher low. Oh. We all should be paying attention to FET. We all should be paying. It looks like consolidation is ending. We're retaking the 200 daily moving average. This thing could rally up to $1.26. That's impressive. Is AI about to get another boom? 79%? Sheesh. I want to take a nap after 3-pound brisket Philly I ate for lunch. Oh, that sounds beautiful. Sounds beautiful, but it also sounds like you're going to spend some time on the toilet. So that sounds like. Get Pepto-Bismol today. That's all that I hear when I hear 3-pound brisket Philly. Yep. Those Phillies, man. They'll put you to sleep. Yeah, FET. You guys might want to pay attention to FET. I was looking for best entry on FET right now. On your daily, you put in 3 consecutive higher lows. That's a really big, especially considering how weird the market's been these past couple days. This thing probably wanted to rally on this one. Probably wanted to do it here. Market got a little poopy doopy. Now we're back into the bullishness. I think right now might be the best entry. for that 79% move. $1.26 is your first target. $1.26. From there, sky's the limit. Yeah, like actually sky's the limit. You've been in this consolidation starting back in March of 2024. So, it's been a long time consolidating. Been a long time. And now you're putting in the nice little framework for a good little rally back up. Even if you're looking at a common retrace, Fetch AI is about to do extraordinarily well. $2.30 will be your second target. 79 to 223% upside. I like what I'm seeing on FET. I'm probably going to start trading FET a lot once it breaks out. Realistically, I should probably add to my spot bag on FET. Most of my spot bags are down here. I might have to get some right now. Yeah, I'm probably going to have to start getting some now. So who knows? After I take profit on H-bar, I might just funnel that straight into FET. And every day for the next couple of days. Just funnel it in there. Or I could do the real degen thing. Get 3 trades, compound them all, and then DCA in there. Could do that. That'd be fun. Oh. It'd be a lot better than like, I don't know, maybe 3 $500 days. Like, oh, I got 1,500 more. Nah. You could go way better than that. We're only looking for 223%. A little 2xer. Probably funnel as much money in there as possible, honestly. As much as possible. S. I forgot about you. S. You beautiful little shrew. Yes! This is what I wanted to see. You're so sexy. If you guys don't know, this is Sonic. So Sonic is the formerly known as Phantom. You had a beautiful downtrend from the rebranding, and now it's starting to move. This is good. You confirmed your lows, and now you're starting to move. Very first thought that you have is common retrace from your high to low. Very first thought. Getting back up to 70 cents. This might be a really good opportunity here. Might be for the swing trader. This is an amazing trade setup. 104% upside. Stop loss would be right below 24.35. If it decides to continue, you're then looking for the 786, 886, or it will put a new structure, and you can trade based off that. But this looks really good. Of course, we have some resistance we're going to have to break. I personally think anything below 39.54 worth accumulating. Definitely worth accumulating if you don't already have a bunch of it. I have a bunch of this token because I was a very firm believer in the FTM token, so I got airdropped all of these Sonic tokens. I should have staked them. I didn't do that. I'm really bad at remembering to stake things. Really bad at it. But yeah, this is Sonic. This is pretty. This leg up right now could be going to 51 cents. So you have two price targets to play with. You can play with this one right here, 47, or the 104. I like this. You picked up some Sonic, nice. I know Conflux had a pretty good day. Holy shit, really good day. What is this day? This is a 107% day. Holy moly. Holy moly. I don't like the way this chart looks. This looks like a Chinese crypto company. This looks weird. However, you should be catching some bids here. This thing could rally very well. I forgot what Conflux does. But yeah, they're a Chinese-based crypto. When they first came out, everybody was like, ooh, this is going to be the greatest thing ever. As we can tell, it was not the greatest thing ever. Nice price movement, though. Hit previous levels of resistance and fell back down. Looks like you're going to break through it. Cool. Did not even hit the bearish 5-0. 90%. Sheesh. Didn't realize it was that much. Cool. Oh, we're about to get a daily candle breakout. Okay. All right. Continuation to the upside. Looks like it's coming. Conflux is one that can pump over the weekend, but I would expect it to not really start moving until Sunday. So I guess I shouldn't even really be bringing it up right now, but it's something that I watch out for. Let's peek in on that ton trade. Oh, we're currently up 3% on ton. Beautiful. 72% on H bar. Not too shabby. I just wanted to sell me off, you know? Just sell me off. I got like 3 or 4 days of gains to make up. Oh man, we're gonna have to make all that up. I might be doing some aggressive trading, just maybe. SQD. Who knows? Maybe you're gonna stop dying. Who knows? It's giving me eye cancer. I don't want to look at that. Oh, Cookie. Hey. Cookie, ready for launch. Cookie is ready for launch. I'd be focusing on 1872 right now. It's up 10% on the day, but we don't got to worry about that. You are in the box of hope. All you got to do is break above it. Bullshit backtest or something. Cookie Dow. Looking like it's getting that breakout today. 28% upside. I like those odds. 28 to what is that? 96% upside? Sheesh. Oh man, we're gonna get all of Twitter talking about this is alt season. God dang it. We even have daily bullish divergence for Cookie Dow. I'm probably going to have to play around in this over the weekend. 4 hours not overbought yet. Still below the 200. Wow. Cookie. You were on the struggle bus, weren't you? Alright. Well, anyways. I pretty much looked at everything I want to look at. I'm guessing gaming tokens. Watch out for them over the weekend. Something like ladies here. Probably something you really want to stay focused on. So I know Anita's not in this stream, or if she is, hello, welcome. But yeah, you've confirmed your lows here, not once, but twice. Ladies, this one is set up for astronomically high prices. So this will be one of the signs of if we have the degens back in the space, something like this token is about to take off in a major way. So just pay attention to that. Don't say you weren't warned at all. Just understand. Ladies is ready for launch. ladies is something that this weekend might do something like 182% upside. Don't say I didn't warn you. Don't say I didn't warn you. We get good news like that. We get DGen showing up. Don't say I didn't warn you. Anyways, I'll be focusing a lot on Ton, H-Bar, some of the gaming tokens probably. Maybe I'll peek in over here to Ladies once or twice, but if you're going to jump into a trade on Ladies, stop loss below this 2772 level. Whatever the E stands for, I don't even know. But, yeah. This thing looks phenomenal on the daily, ready for upside. That's a lot of bullish divergence. Huh, cool. Uniswap's doing great. Yeah, everything's going to be doing great. Try not to get into bad trade setups. So, like, I got into Ton here because it's on a fresh breakout of support. I can put my stop loss below the recent lows. I'm looking for a 21% move. We move on from there. So just remember the rules. Do not get suckered into trying to stay in things longer than you should. And let's get paid, guys. Let's get paid. Anyways, happy Friday. For those of you who decide to come back in, I will see you on Pumpkin later tonight. If you're not a part of the free Discord, join the Discord. It's a great place to be. Also, great place to ask questions, see charts. I know I'm going to be posting a ton of charts later, but might not do it tonight. Might do it tomorrow morning. We'll see. We'll see how I feel. Anyways, catch you later. Deuces, everybody. Much love. I appreciate you. Bye.